Hey there, busy bees! Ever found yourself juggling your phone, credit card, and coffee all at once? Yeah, me too. But guess what? I've got the ultimate phone hack that'll change your life. Introducing the credit card holder for your phone. Now I know what you're thinking. Seriously, a credit card holder? But stick with me, because this little gadget is a game changer. Picture this. You're at the grocery store, and you need to pay. Instead of fumbling through your bag like it's a black hole, you just whip out your phone. Bam! Your credit card is right there, snug and secure. No more awkward moments at the checkout. But wait, there's more. It's not just about convenience. Think about those nights out. A sleek phone case with a built-in card holder means you can leave that bulky wallet at home. Dance the night away without worrying about losing your stuff. And let's talk about travel. Airports can be a nightmare, but with your credit card holder phone case, you've got everything you need in one hand. Boarding pass on your phone, credit card for those last-minute snacks. TSA-approved, hassle-free life. But is it secure, you ask? Absolutely. These holders are designed to keep your card snug and safe. Unless you're doing cartwheels, your card isn't going anywhere. Plus, it's real easy to slide your card in and out when you need it. Now let's get into the fun part, style. These card holders come in a plethora of colors, patterns, and materials. Leather, silicone, even glitter. Match it with your outfit or go for something bold. The choice is yours. Express yourself, darling. So, busy professionals, it's time to streamline your life. Get yourself a credit card holder for your phone and say goodbye to the clutter. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this hack, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to make your hectic life just a bit easier. Until next time, stay fabulous and organized. Catch you later.